2021 Ram 1500 with less than 37,000 miles on the odometer. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. If you're looking for extras, look no further than these built-in features: side view mirrors with turn signals, satellite radio, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, wood grain trim, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support. Call us, we'll help you take home your favorite vehicle.